Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy recipes. Today I am going to make potato chips. I have taken 1 kg potato. You can see I have peeled all the potatoes. I have peeled up the potatoes. Now I will cut them in slices. Thin slices I will cut this way. See, you can see thin slices. This way I will cut. This way I will cut all the potatoes and then fry the potatoes in the oil, crispy, crunchy, and it will be very tasty to eat. So come on, let us start making the chips. I hope you all will like it, love it to eat the chips. See the way I will make the chips. So come on, let us start. I have cut the chips this way. You can see it. I have cut them. Now I will wash the potato chips. And then I will fry the chips. This way I will wash it. And then I will show you the next step, that how I will fry it. I have washed the potatoes. You can see I have washed it nicely and strained out the water nicely. You can see there's no water in it. Now I will mix some turmeric powder, some chili powder, and some salt to taste. And mix it well. This way I will mix it. This way I will mix the potatoes with the salt, turmeric and chili powder. And now I will fry them. Some refined oil to fry the chips. Let the oil turn hot nicely. The oil is turned hot. Now I will put in the potatoes. Let the potatoes fry crispy and crunchy. The chips are fried. You can see how nice golden color. Now I will take them out. This way. Now in the same process I will fry the other potatoes also. This way. All the potato chips are fried, you can see, and it's fried nice and crispy, crunchy. You can see how nice. See, so crunchy it is, lovely to eat and tasty. So if you like my channel, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you for watching my video.